Hello guys. Good afternoon here. Good morning Philippines. We're back again at the Full Force Fitness. Now, nobody was using at the basketball court, so we're here right now. Today, we're gonna do some combo, probably 3-in-1 routine or probably four. So I just prepare over there, but it's one lady, so I'm not sure if he likes to be in the video or not. So we'll give it a shot. So, okay, let's start workout. Well, let's start cracking, guys. One down, probably we'll do rope next. Skipping rope is done. Now we're gonna do seated box jump. Okay. One more to go. Probably take a rest for 30, 90 seconds, guys. And give you a tip. It's not the way that if you do heavy stuff, lifting, dumbbell, or whatever, that you look good. No, it's not like that, guys. I'm not a heavy lifter. It's about the proper form and technique. If new at the gym, just ask the instructor or the trainer if you don't have clue, and start with the basics. Probably a couple months or so, challenge yourself, and you can do some lots of things. Me, I always mixed up things here at the gym. I like some challenges, you know. My focus, my goal is strength and conditioning. So, okay, let's do the last one, guys. Okay. That's too huge, guys. One set, 4-in-1 routine, and gym is a part of my life, guys. Look at me. I'm over 40, but look young and healthier, stronger, and more focused, guys. Probably that's it for the afternoon. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.